Clocks are devices designed to measure and display the passage of time. They come in various forms and types, using different mechanisms to achieve accurate timekeeping. The earliest timekeeping devices were sundials, dating back to ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians and Babylonians. These relied on the position of the sun's shadow to indicate the time. Ancient cultures like the Chinese and Greeks developed water clocks, also known as clepsydry, around the 16th century BCE. These devices measured time by measuring the flow of water from one container to another. Hourglasses, also known as sandglasses, use the flow of sand from one chamber to another to measure time. They were historically used for specific time intervals and were popular in maritime navigation. The first mechanical clocks in Europe appeared in the 14th century. The most famous early example is the clock in Salisbury Cathedral, built in 1386. In the 15th century, clockmakers in Europe developed spring-driven clocks, which used coiled springs to power the clock mechanism. This innovation reduced the size of clocks and made them more portable. The Dutch scientist Christian Huygens invented the pendulum clock in 1656. The pendulum's regular motion greatly improved the accuracy of timekeeping. In the 18th century, English clockmaker John Harrison developed the marine chronometer, a highly accurate timekeeping instrument that revolutionized navigation by enabling sailors to determine their longitude at sea. The 16th century saw the emergence of portable timepieces, known as pocket watches. These small clocks, often carried on chains, became popular accessories in the 17th century. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century led to the mass production of clocks. Innovations in manufacturing techniques allowed for affordable and accurate timepieces, making them more accessible to the general population. The 20th century saw the development of atomic clocks, which use the vibrations of atoms to measure time with unparalleled precision. The International System of Units, SI, now defines the second based on atomic time. Clocks play a fundamental role in organizing daily activities, coordinating events, and providing a consistent measure of time for various purposes in both personal and professional settings.